So this is how to blur your background from like this to this. Open your CapCut app, click on your CapCut app, click on new project, select the project you want to blur the background, that's the video. Click on add. Now what you now need to do is to go to effect, click on video effect, go to what people are searching, type blur, search for blur effect. Now I like using this one, the second one. Click on it, you'll see that your video will be blurred. Click on cancel, click on glued, drag it till the end of the video. Drag it to the end of the video. Then go back, click on overlay, add overlay. Click on the video again that you added before. Click on add. Now what you do is to remove background, automatic removal. So it will start applying. Once it's done, click on good. Now drag the video to reach the same level the first video is. So you drag it to be where the other one is so that it will be on the same level. Now play your video. You see that the background is blurred. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.